Aku por waklat ke Bynta te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengkah. Tang bopet Bynta buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke cing cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacong pi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ki sipai ke United States kila Hiar Thma haki Bynta ba Shathie jong ke Iran. Bat ka Jingïada Thma ka day haki jaka pelang misail bat haki jaka bu yaki jihad bathumu banlej bom. Ka US kalong bakani ka Jingïada Thma ka day ka Jingïada Ïalade. Kani ka Jingïada Thma ka dayru haka por baki Hiar sorkar ka Iran kidang don had Doha ban yakren bat umentri rang ba do ka Qatar na ka Bynta ban ya penbet ya ka Jingïada karen yesuk bat ka US kumjuru bat ka Israel kanang ban penkun no season don ya ka Jingïada kan ad. Unong ay kitien jong ka US Central Command Tim Hawkins ulong ba ka Jingïada Thma ka US kaday hajan jong ka Bandar Abbas kajaka babun kiktem jong ki sipay duriaw ka Iran ki badon hajan ka Strait of Hormuz. Hadin kani ka Jingïada Thma President ka United States Donald Trump ulong baka sorkar ka diban IT no yaki uranium jongka sa US kanang baka US kan penom no yaki bat kala ban penom hapo Iran hiru har ringkat ka jingdon ki sakhi satar na kaleng kiri ka partai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.